If you want to know what building materials really cost in China, this video is for you. Today I'm visiting a building materials exhibition in Shenzhen, China. This exhibition is mainly for local Chinese homeowners and buyers looking for renovation products at better price. You will see smart toilets, foldable beds, cabinets, wash basins, and many other products from real Chinese factories. So this video can also give you a better idea of the real price range of building materials inside the Chinese market. I will also explain the differences between materials, what to pay attention to before buying, and how to choose the right products for your space. So if you are planning to buy the building materials from China or simply want to understand how the Chinese market works, let's go. This supplier has been making smart toilets and bathroom products for a German brand for over 37 years. And these are some of their smart toilets. Just click the button at the bottom and the lid opens automatically. When you leave it, it closes by itself. It also has a bidet function, and before you use it, it creates a layer of foam to prevent splashes and reduce odors.
对，是陶瓷的，就是它陶瓷，它烧制的温度是越高，它吸水密度是越高的，就是它脏不会渗透进去，不会说用个几年它发黄或。
These toilets even comes with a remote control. Look at all these buttons. It has a night light, automatic flushing, a heated seat, and even a drying function. You can change the water temperature and even the seat temperature. It's available in a few different colors, so you can pick whichever you like. There's also a model with handrails, which is really useful for older people at home. This wash basin is made of ceramic. The good thing about ceramic is that it's smooth and easy to clean. The downside is that it's a little bit fragile, so it can crack if you drop something heavy on it. The cabinet below is made of solid oak wood. Oak wood is much stronger and more durable. This mirror is copper-free, not a traditional silver mirror. After a few years, the traditional mirrors can develop black spots and start looking blurry. But for this one, it can stay clear for much longer. Here there is a button controls the light, and this one is for the anti-fog function. After a hot shower, just press it and the mirror clears up automatically. This is a high-end model. It feels really solid and premium. The ceramic has a matte finish with a nano coating. Because of that, water and dirt are less likely to stick to the surface, making it easier to keep clean. The cabinet below is solid oak with a lacquer finish. That's why it's waterproof. With normal use, it can last 20 to 30 years. And there is also some storage space inside. This vanity is made of sintered stone. It's resistant to scratches and not easy to damage.
它的材质一个特性是嘛，它是韧性比较强，然后耐砸，就是你再重的东西是砸不坏的，就是拿铁的东西随便砸，它还砸不坏的。
It's also less likely to stain or change color over time. Inside, there are built-in storage compartments. These storage boxes can be removed when you don't need them. It also comes with a magnifying mirror, which is useful for making. Another thing nice about this one is that the countertop is made in one piece, so there are no joints or gaps, and that's make it much easier to keep it clean. This one combines sintered stone and ceramic in a seamless design. Sintered stone is very resistant to scratches. It also comes with built-in storage and a motion sensor light. When you walk away, it turns off automatically. This is a smart space-saving design. During the day, you can fold the bed up and use it as a desk. The cabinet is made of plywood and meets China E&F standard. This one is priced at 3,600 RMB. It's 80 centimeters wide. The price includes the faucet, drain, angle wells, and hoses. The basin is made of high-fired ceramic. That means it's less likely to absorb stains or turn yellow over time. The cabinet uses an aluminum honeycomb panel, which helps prevent water damage and mold, and it has a high gloss finish. This one is priced at 1,900 RMB. It's 1 meter wide. The basin is made of ceramic. The cabinet is made of multi-layer solid wood. It also has this fluted design on the front, and it has a high gloss finish. Here is a diamond-shaped shower enclosure. For a size up to 3.9 square meters, the price is around 2,700 RMB. The door can open both inward and outward. This is multi-layer plywood. It's commonly used for cabinet bodies. The cabinet body alone costs around 480 RMB per square meter. This is one of the most common cabinet setups in China. The cabinet body uses plywood, while the doors use OSB with a soft touch finish on both sides. The exhibition price is around 700 RMB per square meter. This is a more premium option. The cabinet body uses imported Russian birch wood, while the doors use double-sided PET finished OSB. The price is around 1,000 RMB per square meter. I have been in China for more than 10 years, and I work directly with building materials factories in China. I can help you find suppliers, communicate with factories, check product quality, and help you buy more safely from China. And if you already have a supplier, I can also visit the factory for you and inspect the products before shipping. If you are interested in building materials from China, make sure to subscribe and save my building materials playlist. I will keep uploading more building materials exhibition, factory visits, and sourcing related videos from China. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.